Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. And to get started, you want to open up settings. From here, scroll down to general management, select reset, and in here you want to choose factory data reset. Now performing this will remove basically everything from the device. Now you get a list of everything that will be removed. As you can see, probably the more important or most important parts that it deletes are things like music, photos, and user data. So if there is anything that you would like to keep, then you might want to back it up beforehand, because otherwise you will just lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done it, or you don't want to, select reset and delete all. Now I believe before you can tap delete all, if you have some kind of protection on your device, you will need to confirm it. I don't, so it just progresses without any problem. But in other circumstances, just put in PIN, pattern, password, whatever you have, and then select delete all. Now the process will begin, and it's going to take a couple of minutes for it to finish up. And once it is, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.